anatomy. You get the cerebral hemisphere, the left and the right, and then you get the cerebral cortex, gray matter, which basically covers the whole entire cerebral hemisphere. It's the shell, basically. You get the gyrus, which are the mountains, the Great Mountains. So you get the sulcus, which are the lines, the grooves. You get the white matter, which you get the white matter cerebral cortex, which is this part right here. And then you get the longitudinal fissure, which splits that line. You get the transverse fissure. Put this back on there.
She's on camera, she's nervous.
Basically what the transverse fissure is, if you put this together, basically it's the line that kind of splits this from this.
This splits the cerebellum.
The lateral sulcus is this line right here. And then you get the central sulcus, which is basically what I was told is that you find whatever line that actually divides the left and the right. It has to be a full line. And then the precentral is the precentral gyrus is the line that goes before that, and the postcentral is the line that goes behind that. And then you get the lobes, which is easy. It's exactly like the bone. The only difference that you need to know is that the insula basically, she sits on an island. You open it up and it's right there. And then when you really open it, it's right there. That's the insula. You get the corpus callosum, which is right there. You get the septum pellucum, which is right here. You get the interventricular foramen, which is that little hole right there. You get the olfactory bulb, which is right here. You get the olfactory tract, which is right here. You get the anterior commissure, which is H. And then you get posterior commissure, which is K. You get the thalamus, which is this area right here. Consists of the intermediate mass, which is that yellow orangey colored dot. You get the hypothalamus, which consists of this area. The hypothalamus contains the mammillary bodies, which is right there, M. You get the optic chiasma, which is right here, 21. You get the optic tract, which is 43. You get the pituitary gland, which is this right here. You get the epididymium, it's the stalk of that. You get the epithalamus, which is all the pink right there. The epithalamus contains the pineal gland, which is that. And then you also get the cerebral peduncles, which are the feet. You also get, so posterior to that, the cerebral peduncles, they're anteriorly, and then the corporal quadrumina, quad means 4, so there's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you get the superior colliculi, and then you get the inferior colliculi. You get the pons. Keep in mind that the cerebral peduncles is the midbrain, and then the pons is right below that, and then right below that you get the medulla oblongata. So in the medulla oblongata you get the pyramids, which are kind of like the sticks. You get the olives, which looks like an olive, that pink part right there. You get the cerebellum, which are these. Put them together. The middle line that divides them left and right is the vermis. And then, of course, these are the cerebellar hemispheres, the left, right. And then you get the cortex mater, which is the whole outside of the outer shell. You get the arbor vitae, which means tree. Yeah. So they're the white branches. It looks like a tree. And then you get the ventricles. Ventricles, you can see it better on the other model, which is on the gray one. Basically, the lateral ventricle would actually sit up here. The third ventricle would kind of sit right here. The cerebral aqueduct would sit right there. So right there. And then falls down to the fourth ventricle. And then you can't really see the choroidal plexus, but I was told that it's this blue part right here. I asked Sarah, and she said it could possibly be it. And then the Mencke's genies, or the other structure, you can't really see. It's on the chart mainly. And then we're going to talk about the cranial nerves, which is the first one is the olfactory nerve, which is right here. It's inside of that. And then you get the optic nerve, which is better right here. The optic nerve is right here, the nose of that. And then you get the ocular motor nerve, which is right there, that white part, number 32. And then you get the trochlear nerve, which is right there, 33. You get the trigeminal nerve, which is 34. You get the abducent nerve, which is right here, 35. You get the facial nerve, which is, where is the facial nerve again?
36.
Oh yeah, 36. 36 is smaller. And then you get the vestibular trochlear nerve, which is right next to the facial nerve. It's thicker. And then you get the glossopharyngeal nerve, which is 38. And then right below that, you get the vagus nerve. And then you get the accessory nerve, which is 40. And then you get the hypoglossal nerve, which is on the opposite side of the olive, which is number 41. And that's it.